In this video, we will learn how to create Fiverr account and how to start earning money on Fiverr. But before that, let us understand what is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a global online marketplace for freelancers, which means that freelancers can start making money by supporting different people and businesses. And at the same time, businesses and different people can look for the services on Fiverr and take the services from Fiverr. So Fiverr is free, which means that you can create an account on Fiverr for free, and then once you start selling your services, you can make money, and this amount can be credited to your Fiverr account, and from there you can transfer that to your bank account and so on. So you can look for Fiverr here on Google. So the first link which will open is fiverr.com. You can sign up with your Facebook account, or you can continue with Google, or you can do it with your Apple ID. Suppose if you do not have any account, so I'll be registering it with my SyncBricks account, and my username is SyncBricks, and I'll choose a password here and join. I will be able to look at my account here. You can see my profile. I can set up my profile here. I can change my image. You can use your personal photo also. So you need to earn some badges also here, because Fiverr will boost your gigs. Once you start selling your services, you can start your service by creating the gig. But before creating the gig, you need to see what type of gigs are already available here. Let me show you. If I go to Fiverr, suppose I choose poster design. These are the poster designing services which are available, the people who are selling the poster designing. So you can see here. So let us use the gig here. I will create a gig from here. So I will say I'll create. So tags will help the search engine to search for your gig. Now suppose if somebody will search here, so Facebook post, you can see here these are all people designing the Facebook. I'll design social media post, graphic design for Facebook, Instagram ads. So we can use the same kind of gig because this is ranking number 1. And suggested categories are automatically coming here based on this one. These are all the suggested categories. So I will choose graphic design and social media design. So this will be a good way to start with. So I can use it for Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, even website generic you can also do, and Instagram. So I'll be choosing these, and here I'll be using Facebook. Graphics also you can choose. So I'll save the gig here. So you need to make sure that your pricing is as per the standard. You should not be charging more than the market. Standard is starting at $15. I'll just look at this gig and I'll see what kind of services he's providing or she's providing: basic, standard, and premium. So you can see here 3 social media posts are for $15, and 10 social media posts are for $50, and premium is 20 pro social media posts are for $100. So we will start our gig with maybe $10. So we'll say 2 social media posts, because this is just for the trial. And delivery time for this will be 1 day. For this it will be 2 days. For this it will be 3 days. Revisions, you might do 1 revision here, 2 revisions here, and 2 revisions here also. Number of platforms, I'll design this for 3 platforms or 2 platforms. This I'll use for 3 platforms, and this I'll use for 5 platforms. Source file, I'll not be providing any source file. Additional revision $5. So additional platforms, I'll not be giving source file, I'll not be giving, and save and continue. So this is what we have done. Add any frequently asked question here and save and continue. Please provide your company logo or related image, and I want them to send the attachment, and then I want to add another question, text that I want from them, and then save and continue. Now I'll be adding a gallery. Recommended image size is 1280 by 769, so I'll be using the same on Canva. 1280 769. It is being downloaded. Now I'll go back again to here. It is. Continue. Now save and continue, and here you can see you are almost done. So I need to now verify my email address because it says that you need to activate your account using this. So I'll just go back to my email address. So I'm here and I'll activate my account. Okay, here is the verification code that I got. Are you a US person? No. That's it. Now my gig is published. I can copy this and share it. So this is my gig which is published. Now if anyone wants to place an order, they can just place the order from here, and once I get the order, I will start working and I will deliver the service from here. So this is how you can create your gig and start earning on Fiverr. This is very simple. Simply you can make the money. Then you can update your profile here, enroll for different badges. So take a test. So I will choose what test I want to take. For example, if it is related to web designing, graphic designing, or computer skills, internet programming, English language. So English language is also must, and Fiverr English test is also must. For some of the gigs you must take this test. And again, you can add your new skills, whatever you have. You can link your social media profiles here, any certifications that you have done, your education, your skills, you should update your profiles. So as there is no earning right now, once you get the earning, you can withdraw the earning. So for that, you can click the link in the description below where I have explained you how to create a free account in United States and United Kingdom, and then your money will be transferred from Fiverr to that account, and then you can withdraw it. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.